What if I tell you you can just tell Photoshop what to do and it will do those things automatically on its own? This is gonna blow your mind. Welcome to Blur, episode 7. So in Adobe Photoshop, you can select a part of your picture and ask it to do something and it will do it on its own. Pretty cool, right? You can go crazy with this generative AI feature and it works flawlessly on photos, to be honest. You can even add elements to the existing picture and it will adjust the picture according to that. Look at that, it even added shadows very nicely. You can even add accessories and look how naturally the t-shirt looks crumpled. And yes, you can make changes to your face as well if you hate your face. When you ask the prompt to do something, you get 3 different variations, so you can choose from that as well. You can just download the Photoshop beta and start using this feature right away. With this feature, you can make high quality edits in Photoshop without even learning Photoshop. Send this reel to someone and show them what Photoshop can do now, and see you tomorrow. You can make changes to your face as well if you hate your face because it looks like Rupesh.